Now just
Okay.
understand. Today I will give you the introduction for the writing module.
Right.
Let's not waste the time. Yes. You have opted for the general now PR training.
Yes, ma'am. For the PR training,
Now
yes.
just understand. General writing is of 60 minutes. 1 hour of paper. Same as of reading. 1 hour, 1 hour, both. And it has
Okay.
two tasks. Task one is your letter writing. And here the time is 20 minutes. You will get 20 minutes to write a letter.
Okay. Letter writing.
Yes,
Okay.
letter writing. And here the minimum word limit is 150 words. Please don't write less than 150 words.
Ma'am.
Otherwise, it is going
Okay.
to decrease your band score. Okay. There are
Okay.
basically three kinds of letters. First is your formal letter. What is formal letter?
One basically, we write it uh, like on formal basis.
Generally, I'm asking you what you understand by formal. We used to write in a school
Like
time also in our
we,
English.
yeah, yeah. So basically, it's like basically we write letters to respected to some on
Yes,
formal basis.
formal letter is written to a person who is in some position, some authority to take the designation,
Some
right?
authority,
Yes.
basically.
Like to exemplify, like your principal, government official, bank manager,
Mm,
editor of a newspaper, right? These are all manager of company. So these are all formal letter.
formal letters.
Second, we have informal letter. Informal is written to our friends, to our relatives, to our siblings, cousins, right? Then we have semi formal letter. What is semi formal letter? Any idea?
Semi-formal. It's basically a combination of formal and semi-formal. No, I don't know.
Smart answer. Okay. Now, semi formal letter is written to a person whom you know, but you're not too close relationship with that person. Okay. Like you
Okay.
know the person, but you are not too close relationship with that person. Like
Okay.
your colleague, your neighbor, president of your society, your old teacher, your landlord, tutor of your child, chemist. These are all under manager of your own company. So these are all under semi formal.
Semi-formal.
Yes.
Okay.
So any one letter they will give you. Anyone can come in your exam. Okay, I will teach
Okay.
you proper structures and then we will do the samples also of these letters.
Fine. Fine.
Then we have task 2. Task 2 is your essay writing. It's of 40 minutes. They will give you 40 minutes for the essay.
Okay.
And here the word limit is 250 words. Please don't write less than 250 words. Okay.
Okay.
Now, basically, there are opinion and non-opinion essays. Let us discuss about the opinion essay. In opinion essay, they will give you one statement and they will ask you whether you agree or whether you disagree.
Disagree.
Like in essays, we
Okay.
have total 4 paragraphs. Your introduction, body para 1, body para 2, and conclusion. 4 paragraphs. So in essays, we have two body paragraphs, basically. Okay. So if an
Okay.
opinion essay, you have to choose one. Either you agree or either you disagree. right?
Disagree.
So if you are going for the agree, then both the body paragraph should support agree only. Okay. And if you are going for
Okay.
disagree, then both the body paragraph should support disagree. So
Disagree
I mean to
statements.
say, please choose one from starting till end. Either go for
And
agree one side or disagree. Okay.
okay. Ma'am, I have a question. If suppose if you have a simultaneous like situation based questions, like one statement you agree, one second statement you disagree, so we
No, no,
can't.
no. It is not
I
like
don't
this. You have to
know.
choose one aspect only. Huh.
Okay, okay, okay,
See, the
fine.
question is to what extent do you agree or disagree? Or
Or
means
you
what?
disagree.
Choice now, one
Ah,
side.
yeah, yeah,
If they
yeah,
have
yes, yes,
used
right.
and
And
means
yeah,
both. Just
ah,
understand these are
both,
conjunctions. If you
right,
remember the rules of
yeah,
conjunctions, right?
yes,
Or
yes,
means
yes.
choice. And means
Choice,
both.
both.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then we have non-opinion essays. Under non-opinion essays, we have four kinds. First non-opinion is problem solution essay. In this, they will give you one statement and they will ask you to write the problem and the solution. So in BP1 means in body para 1 you will write problems, in BP2 you will write
Solution.
solutions. And one thing more, for opinion essay, so there is a mandatory that we
Solutions.
have to give the opinion in opinion essay, right? Whether we accord or whether you discord with the statement.
Okay.
But for non-opinion essays,
Discord. Okay.
please don't give your opinion until they mention in the question that give your opine, give your opinion. If they ask you, then only give. Otherwise, no need to give your opinion for
Okay.
non-opinions. Okay. Second non-opinion is advantages and disadvantages. Now here they are going to give you one statement and they will ask you to write the merits and the demerits. So in BP1 you will write merits, in BP2 you will write demerits.
The
Third, we have advantages outweigh disadvantages essay. Now outweigh means what? Which is more than the other. Merits are more or demerits are more. Which one outshine the other? Which one surpass the other? Outshine the other? As I told you earlier, that in rest of the essays we have two body paragraphs, right?
oh, body.
But in outweigh one essay, we will have three body paragraphs because in this we have to show the comparison. Suppose during your exam you have more merits in your mind, okay? So body para 1 and body para 2 will be the strong side merits and body para 3 weak side demerits. If you have more demerits, then body para 1 body para 2 demerits strong side and body para 3 merits weak side. So it can be both the ways. Okay.
Okay.
This is the lengthiest essay actually, outweigh.
Okay.
Then we have discuss both views essay. Now in discuss both views essays, they will give you two views in the question topic. So first view will come in BP1, second view will come in BP2.
Me too.
And it's a non-biased essay, means we are going to write only the positive of both the
Positive.
views. Only the positive side. No demerits, no negatives. Okay, you will only write the positive, bright side of
Positive.
both. This is called a non-biased essay. Okay. So in your exam, they will give you any one letter and one essay. One letter and one essay you will get. Okay.
Okay.
Now there is no upper limit from their side. Like as I told you, minimum limit, so they have standardized, not less than 150 and not less than 250, right?
250.
Don't go under length, but there is no upper limit. But we advise our students, this is just an advice, to maintain 170 to 190 for task 1, that is your report writing.
Letter.
Yes.
Letter.
And not sorry, letter writing,
Letter
task
writing.
1, yes. And 270 to 290 for essay writing.
Yes, right.
Okay, so this is just an advice, though they haven't fixed from their side any upper limit. But why we advise? Because see, if you're going to write too much of lengthy topics, they are not going to give you extra band scores for that, right?
Hmm.
And even the chances of making mistakes, also spellings, increases if you're going to write too much of lengthy things. So please don't do that. Be very precise and concise to the topic. Don't go off topic, over length. Okay.